Hi, I'm Jacob from Rich Solar, and today I'm here at Galaxy Campers in Ontario, California. These guys have been in business for over 40 years, and they specialize in bringing you Lance truck campers and travel trailers. Galaxy Campers has partnered with Rich Solar to bring you trailers and campers fitted with our new Alpha Series lithium batteries. Today I'm here with Miguel, and we're going to be installing our new Alpha 1 Pro lithium battery in this brand new Lance 2285 trailer. Let's see how easy it is. The Alpha 1 Pro comes equipped with internal heating technology, built-in Bluetooth monitoring with your phone, and they're UL certified. And there you go. As you can see, these batteries are very easy to install. So come on down to Galaxy Campers and pick up your new Lance trailer equipped with our Alpha Series batteries. And as always, have a solar day.